This short tutorial explains how to buy shares of Envela Corp, a company focused on asset recovery and re-commerce that trades on NASDAQ under the ticker ELA. This video is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker, and I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID, and add funds before buying. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker ELA to locate Envela Corp. Select the listing that matches Envela Corp to open the stock page. On the stock page, review basic company details and the price chart to confirm it is the correct asset. Double-check the NASDAQ listing and the ELA ticker before proceeding. Tap Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, review the order details, and confirm when you are ready. If the market is closed, the order may be queued for the next session, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirmation. After execution, your Envela position will appear in your portfolio, where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to follow the same steps.